Okay guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a contact option on your Instagram, and that is a contact, either your email, your phone number. It's going to allow your followers to quickly have access to you on your Instagram. So let's dive in. The first thing is we're going to open our Instagram. So we're going to open our Instagram. Alright, so the next step is click on this your profile menu button. Sorry guys, let me show my tab. Okay guys, so you click on the profile picture, and here click on your edit. When you click on your edit, you scroll down and you come to your contact option here. Click on your contact option, and this is it here. Just on it there, and once you on it, click on OK. So we have to add our contact option, our contact info, before we are able to turn this on. So let's dive in. You can put your email, you can put your business number, and you can put your WhatsApp phone number. So let's put our business number here now. If you have a different number you are using for your WhatsApp, and you have a different number you are using as a contact, your personal contact, which is it out now. How do you want him to reach you? Is it by calling or by texting? So you can set this. You want him to call you, so your followers will be able to reach you by calling you, or only text. They will be able to reach you with only your text. So you can change it here. Just click on this, like this mark button, and you mark it, and now it's on it. We can see you have on it. So your followers will be able to reach you directly with text on your contact save. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.